Asibingelele Mthwakazi kaNdaba nina ondlela zimhlophe. Namhlanje ke sizothanda ukuthi silifundele istatement esikhishwe nguZwide Khumalo egxeka ehlaba ehlikiza istatement esethulwe uChief Ndiweni uNhlanhla yaMangwe Ndiweni. Yikho ke ukuze kucace ukuthi sisukaphi siyapi ngizolidlalela nje kancane istatement esiyethulwe indunankulu uNhlanhla yaMangwe Ndiweni.
Mahlaba izulu linjani namhlanje emakhaya? Isithemba liphilile bantu benkosi. Namhlanje ilanga mhla ka-19 April 2026. Okhuluma phambi kwenu namhlanje induna umdladla Inhlanhla yaMangwe yentaba zinduna. Siyalibingelela mahlaba izulu ngendlela ebanzi kakhulu. Sesiqalisa indima entsha sokudingakala ukuthi mhlawumbe namhlanje uma ngikhuluma lani ngihlanganise isilungu lesindebele ngoba ibhayisikopho le izahamba endaweni eziningi kakhulu. Kufuze ukuthi hayi lathi siphose ngendlela eqondileyo. Today is a historic day, a huge day regarding our nation. I start off by greeting my Royal Majesty Inkosi uBulelani kaLobhengula kaMzilikazi Ndabezitha. We are beginning a new leg in the history of our nation. In the last 6 months, so much has happened, which I need to pass over to you as I'm coming from the office of His Royal Majesty. But we start off the tragic situation I've just mentioned now. I must bring an announcement for the 25th of April. That is next Saturday, the 25th of April. We are asking you all to join us in a day of prayer. The venue will be publicized. The physical venue will be publicized. It's here in Johannesburg. But we're asking for all of you, wherever you are in the world, just to give that one day of prayer for our nation. We've never done that before as it sees with Kamzilikazi. And there's a need for us to do that. The need is a very profound need because somehow our nation has been kept together without a royal house for some 126 years. That is phenomenal by any standards. Many other people, many other nations would have dispersed, but we are still an entity. We are still a people. And that is why we need to say that day of prayer in remembrance of the Almighty, that He has done us good, He has done us well. He has kept us as a people, as a nation, as an identifiable nation.
Hey, asiqhubekeni ke ngokufunda lencwadi ngokufunda le statement esibhalwe ngubaba uZwide Khumalo okhombise ukuthukuthela nenzondo noma nokuzonda okuphezulu kakhulu. I-statement sakhe sinesihloko esithi Royal Family Response to Chief Ndiweni Statement on Ndebele Kingship. It was written on the 22nd of April 2026. The royal family of King Lobhengula, the Crown House, expresses its respect and the support of the Institute of Traditional Leadership as custodians of the Ndebele culture and other cultures in this country. In this country, Zimbabwe. asikhumbule ukuthi uthi yena ubhala le statement in response to Chief Ndiwene's statement on Ndebele kingship. So okwenza ukuthi agcine esekhuluma ngamanye ama-cultures elizweni kungabe kubangelwa yini o into azama ukuyisho yini lana. Mina mangibhekisisa ngibukisisa indaba yakhe ukuthi kunomuntu othile o kune institution ethize azama ukuthi ayigwegwe ayilethe eduze ukwenzela ukuthi ibhekisise lolu daba lobukhosi ukwenzela ukuthi that institution ipronounce mhlawumbe in his favor kumbe against someone, ekakhulu uma sibheka ngalana or against uKing Bulelani. Asiqhubeke ngencwadi. It is disappointing, though, that the traditional leaders of the Ndebele nation accept by being quiet that Nhlanhla Yamangwe Ndiweni can stand in public announcing falsehood about the Ndebele kingship, that negotiations took place and that the Ndebele nation and the chiefs should accept Bulelani as a king. The sense of the trivializing of the Ndebele kingship was conspicuously shown by him making the announcement of unity as if it is a game of amandlwane, a children's play. Bantwana bantwana wozani ekhaya. The royal house assures the traditional leaders and the Ndebele nation that there has never been any negotiations recently that legitimized Bulelani as a Ndebele king. His claim is untrue. It is difficult to protect Bulelani against falsity of this statement because Ndiweni said that he was speaking from his office, so-called king's office. It is not possible and imaginable that Ndiweni broke into that office and hijacked a space and the facility to unilaterally make the false announcement. It certainly suggests to be a very well choreographed collective misfire of blank cultural bullets. As a house, we regret that Umntwana is abused in the nature so despicable. Bulelani is a prince and is fully aware that the broadcast is tainted and inaccurate, as he is fully appraised about the stage of any discussions about the royal standoff. He is aware that this is soon to be discussed, but it is not yet over, as Ndiweni put it. The likely dialogue at the High Court is a final resort to deal with issues that some Kumalos in his contingent refused to discuss at family level. This is so interesting, the way he puts it. It seems like he is deliberately misleading or leading people to a certain position, because he says there are some discussions which are about to take place, but On the same vein, he says there will be a dialogue in High Court. What kind of a dialogue is that? It is between who and who? Who took the case to the High Court? Isn't it him, Ubaba uZwide, owathatha udaba walukhipha ekhaya walusa emthethwandaba? Usho ukuthi yena ngokeqiniso eliphelele uthembe umthethwandaba okudlula okungakhulunywa egumeni. Okwenza kanjani lo? It's known ukuthi ngo-2018 nguye owathatha lolu daba waluhambisa emthethwandaba. Manje usebiza ngokuthi ilokhuzeni final resort i-dialogue. Hawu, kusobala ukuthi kukhona kwenzayo behind the scenes or together with that institution. Acabanga ukuthi izokwazi ukuthi ithi arbitrate, facilitate udaba olubucayi ngale ndlela. Wazi kahle. All right, asiqhubeke. So buya futhi sixoxe ngakho. The people of Ntabazinduna have no substantive leadership for some years now, due to whatever the unfortunate cause of this delisting by government as an ordinary chief. Lokhu yikho kubizwa kuthiwa ukuhlokoza umuntu engumuntu omdala. Kuyazakala ukuthi udaba lobukhosi kukhona abantu abangalufuni. And akuyona imfihlo ukuthi ngobani abangalufuniyo lolu daba. And ngazizatho ziphi. Kuyazakala konke lokho. Umdladla uNdiweni ukuze abe nenkinga esihlalweni sakhe sobuduna, siyazi ukuthi kwenziwe yini. Namhlanje ubaba uZwide mayenza sengathi akazi ukuthathaphi khona lokho. Kungani engalikhuluma iqiniso? Umdladla ukube ubengeyona indoda emeli iqiniso, indoda emeli isizwe ngobuqotho, ubengeke besenkingeni. Ubengeke aze adilistwe igovernment leyo ubaba uZwide akhuluma ngayo. Lapha oblenywayo ngubani kahlehle? Okumele ablenywe ngubani? Uhulumende noma ubaba uMdladla? Ngubani okumele ablenywe kahlehle lana? Okay, asiqhubeke ngestatement sakhe. The Ndebele nation should not be taken for a ride. The respected, in inverted commas, Ndiweni has an opportunity to tell this nation something better than give the nation a false hope. The King Lopengula family, through the King Lopengula Royal Trust, denies Ndiweni's announcement about Ndebele kingship with the contempt it deserves. The King Lopengula house has been consistent since 6 November 1997. The consistency has been to ensure that if we eventually revive the Ndebele monarchy as a nation, it must. All right, ngifuna ukuthi sibhekisisa ukuthi ama sentences akho constructor kanjani. Yikho okusitshengisa ukuthi umqondo womuntu ukuphi nokuthi vele yena uhlosele. Let me read this sentence again. The consistency has been to ensure that let's underline that, if we eventually revive the Ndebele monarch as a nation, it must. Ukuzefaka if laphana, ufaka ngabomu, ngoba kukhombisa ukuthi yena eqinisweni akanaso isifiso sokuthi ubukhosi buvuseleleke. Useyenza sengathi uyafuna kodwa ke eqinisweni ilanguage ayisebenzisayo iyambopha, iyamveza ukuthi yena uhlobo luni lomuntu, yini injongo yakhe. So kusobala ukuthi injongo yakhe ngiyokudiliza, ngiyokucitha, ngiyokucithiza, ngiyokuhlikiza. Usobala lokho. All right, asiqhubeke futhi ngestatement sakhe. The consistency has been to ensure that if we eventually revive the Ndebele monarch as a nation, it must, one, be a sustainable and a respectable institution that carries the charisma that the forefathers, kings, Mzilikazi, Lopengula, he said Nyamande as well as Nyamande was never a king. Yeah. However, his statement, this is a correct statement. I think ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakufisa lokho, ukuthi institution of the monarch mayivuselelekile, ibe sustainable, njalo ibe respectable. This is a statement that's right. Kodwa ke lokho kokuthi King Nyamande, hayi cha, uNyamande akazange agcotshwe ukuthi abe inkosi. uNyamande wacisha waba libamba, kodwa ke wabaleka wathi yena hayi akakufisi lokho. All right, number 2, be a kingship anchored on a monarch institution with an individual king coming second to it or later, and not vice versa, avoiding a populist grandstanding. Lapha ngicabanga ukuthi yena nguye ozama ukuba yi-populist, ozama ukuthi ethi grandstand. Sobala ukuthi uzamani lana. Uzama ukuba ngamanzi omfula, akhukhula ichebechebe lomuntu ami phezukwalo. Number 3 uthi yena, be a kingship that is attained through a customary process, inclusive and belonging to the people in their ethnic diversity and not a few individuals. Hayi lapha ubeka iqiniso, but we know ukuthi process vele was all encompassing. It was inclusive, involving many stakeholders. So ukuthi azama ukuthi yenze ngathi yena kune process okusazomela yenziwe inclusive, sengathi inclusive ayizange yenziwe kuze kukhethwe inkosi uBulelani kaMzilikazi kaMashobane. Number 4 uthi be a cultural kingship that will be that will consist of a non-administrative role in competition with political party leadership, but coexist with government administrative structures to facilitate grassroots development programs. Singabheka nje konke akubhalileyo. Into abevele zama ukuyibhala yiyo le. Ithi ngiliphindele ngizolitshela ukuthi ngani. Be a cultural kingship that will consist of a non-administrative role in competition with political party leadership, but coexist with government administrative structures to facilitate grassroots development programs. Uzwide into azama ukuyisho lapha yile. Uzama ukuthi ubukhosi ngaphansi kwenkosi uBulelani who against what he calls the political party leadership, whatever that means. But uchaza ukuthi ngoba ama political parties there are so many. Why lapha ekwenza sengathi yi-political party A1? Phezu kwalokho avela jump eqele phezulu ebese buya ku-government administrative structures. Uzamani ukuthi ahlanganise u-government nale i-political party yakhe ayishoyo. Uzama ukuceba, ucebani kahle. Waceba ku-High Court. Manje secebani futhi. Umuntu engumuntu omdala. Singabheka konke akukhulumayo, but this is his main issue. Okokuthi uzama ukuthi ugovernment avale wonke amasango ukwenzela ukuthi inkosi uBulelani ingakwazi ukubusa. Into ayizamayo uyazi ukuthi makuvaliwe amasango ukuthi uBulelani abuse, yena vele he doesn't stand any chance. He doesn't stand any chance. Asiqhubeke. Be a kingship that respects traditional leadership, institution, and its custodianship of culture and our identity. Oh, this is a correct statement. That is what is happening in terms of side lenkosi uBulelani. Ngibona ukuthi lapho ube kubhala ngobe zamani ubezama ukuvala lesi statement aqeda ukusibhala phezulu. Be a kingship, that is number 6. Be a kingship that promotes and advocates for the national constitution to recognize the monarch institution of the Ndebele nation and for any other ethnic groups that have had similar structure in this country. Under normal circumstances, this statement is okay. The constitution of the country should promote a monarchy, particularly the Ndebele monarchy. It should promote that. Kodwa-ke ngendlela lapha uKhumalo wabhala ngakhona uzwide into azama ukuyisho yena lapha yikuthi uthi okwenziwa inkosi uBulelani akukho constitutional. Ubuyela kulwana umuqa ophezulu owe political party yakhe akhuluma ngayo ne government administrative structures akhuluma ngakho. Uzama ukuthi inkosi uBulelani is working against incumbent government right now or ruling political party right now. Yinto azamayo ukuyisho la. Uyaceba engumuntu omdala. Kodwa ke eqinisweni akukho lokho kuthiwa uNkosi uBulelani is working against the government. Inkosi uBulelani what is doing is he's working for isizwe samahlabezulu sikaMthwakazi. Ngoba mawubheka lana uthola sefaka nabo similar structures in this country, other ethnic groups. We know there are so many other ethnic groups, but in this case uzama ukuthi the governing party with its ethnic group yibo abazoba senkingeni uma inkosi uBulelani ivunyelwa ukuthi ibuse. Okungasilo iqiniso. It's known ukuthi asilona iqiniso. Ukuvuka kobukhosi bamahlabezulu, it's not against anyone. It's not against anyone. Why should it be viewed as if it's against other ethnic groups, as if it is against the government? Why? Why? Into uZwide azama ukuyisho la, uzama ukuthi uma kuyiwa ecourt, uma lizothethwa, kodwa ke I doubt ukuthi lizofa lathethwa leli cala leli. I doubt. Kodwa ke into ayizamayo ukuthi uma lizothethwa, uhulumeni alibuke leduze kakhulu leli cala. Akhiphe i-verdict, i-judgment ezoba favorable to yena uhulumeni, hayi isizwe samahlabezulu. Asiqhubeke ngencwadi yakhe. There could be many other issues of consistency observed by the House that may not be in the above list. The House is aware of the fact that people need a legitimate king because they had legitimate kings and they will have a legitimate king. The sprouting of kings, all claiming to be succeeding the last Ndebele king from September 2014, has none of them that was identified and coronated through a customary process from the last customarily coronated King Nyamande. Uyayiphinda lento le. Kodwa ke into enzama ukuthi ngiveze kulesi statement sakhe lesi asikhulumayo yikuthi uyala ukuthi process, customary process, traditional processes were done ukuze kukhethwe inkosi uBulelani from ekhethwa elithole. Sabikelwa ngubaba uPhathisa Nyathi, usolwazi owazakalayo, usomlando owazakalayo, oqavile, saziswa phakathi ophambi kwamahlabezulu, ophambi komphakathi ngosuku lomgubho wenkosi uMzilikazi. Satshelwa silalele ngezindlebe zethu ukuthi uBulelani uyena ithole. Njalo wakuveza kwacaca ubaba uPhathisa Nyathi ukuthi yena ngocwaningo lwakhe, that is i-research yakhe, kulapho vele okumele kuphume khona umntwana onguye okumele athathe over. Ngemva kwalokho vele ama-processes amaningi asenziwe or abuya enziwa waze kwafika usuku lukamhla ka-18 March 2018 lapho obekumele acoronate khona publicly eBarberfield Stadium obekuzoba lusuku oluyindumezulu, usuku obeluzoba ngiyingqophamlando esizweni samahlabezulu. Ukube wagcotshwa ngendlela okwakuhlelwe ngakhona, ukube isizwe samahlabezulu siphambili kakhulu. Siyazi ukuthi uZwide wagijimela ecourt wavimba, osezama ukuvimba manje. Yini into emenza avimbe manje? Yini into amenza avimbe manje? It's not ukuthi umbiko lona owethulwe indunankulu inhlanhla yamangwendiweni. Cha. I-diplomatic onslaught, i-diplomatic moves ezenziwa yi-ofisi yenkosi uBulelani kaLobhengula Khumalo yiyo emenza aphakame ezame ukuvimba amanzi ngezandla. Sibonile kuhlanganwa namakhosi akwaNdebele eMpumalanga eMzansi Afrika. Sibonile kuhlanganwa namakhosi aseZambia. Sibonile kuhlanganwa namakhosi akwaZulu kunye neNgonyama uMisizulu okaZwelithini. Sibonile kukhunyiswana umlotha ngesigameko esasenzakele lapho inkosi uMzilikazi owayeyale neinkomo owayehambe wayazithumba eBasuthwini ngemva kokuthi ilembe eleqamanya amalembe inkosi uShaka kasenzanga khona emthumile ukuthi akahambe ayothumba izinkomo, kodwa ke wamnikeza ibutho lamakhehla obe usobala ukuthi inkosi uShaka yayifuna ukuthi uMzilikazi angaphenduki aphelele khona eBasuthwini. Kodwa ke siyazi ukuthi inkosi uMzilikazi yahamba yayonqoba, yabuya nazo izinkomo yala nazo. Izo lezi inkomo abazihambisile just recently okuyizo esesizwisa uZwide ubuhlungu, ngoba uyazi ukuthi ukuhlangana kwezizwe ngalendlela esihlangana ngakhona kunikeza umthwakazi amandla amakhulu kakhulu. Manje uZwide uzama ukuthi awanqande lawo mandla ukuze angakhuli, angandlondlobali. Asiqhubeke njalo ngencwadi kaZwide. Chief Ndwen, rather than mislead the nation, he should be sorting out his chieftainship leadership wrangling, if he can still do. It is said that some of many of us who knew his family, father and mother, that were respected by many for the cultural leadership legacy they left behind. Note that it is not reflected in him. It is an affront to this nation that at this hour and day, him adoring a chief spy, he should be so disconnected, taking the responsibility to make such an announcement in a video with what is clearly not clerical errors of failure to spell Matabele and a reference to the king's palace as Mhlandlela is clearly a sign of disconnection from reality, which results in failure to inform the Ndebele nation with the correct order of events about ubukhosi. Yazi izinto ezincane usezithatha azenze izinto ezinkulu kakhulu. Umatabele o Matebele, hayi akuyona into enkulu kakhulu le. Lokho kuyadepend ukuthi ngubani. Ungathi Matebele kulungile ngoba siyazi ukuthi abesuthu bathi Matebele. We've got abesuthu esizweni sikaMthwakazi. Ikupho kurongo ngokuthi uthi Matebele. Ukuthi Matabele nakhona lokho kulungile. Ngoba siyazi ukuthi ezinye inhlanga zesizwe samahlabezulu ziyakusho lokho. Ikuphi inkinga? Hawu, umuntu seze ephakamisa izinto ezingekho, izinto ezingathi shu. Ngokuphelelwa nje. Le nquli yahamba ayimile. Ayingeke futhi imiswe nguye. Noma ihlehle, ayingeke isahlehla. Ihlehle 150 years. Manje iza ngamandla amakhulu. Iza ngesivinini esisimangaliso. Hayi uKhumalo akaqaphele ukuthi lenqama akayivimbi ngezandla. Hayi asiqhubeke. Sesifike emaphethelweni ayo lencwadi. Having made these very sad observations about Nhlanhla yaMangwe Ndiwene, I express respect for him in expressing condolences for our ones that died in a tragic accident near Bulawayo last weekend. Ubekuphi olalong yena ekhona koBulawayo? Uhlulwe yini to send condolences ngabantu bakithi abashile? Uhlulwe yini? Ha, futhi madoda. Kwaze kwanzima. Uyigqiba ngokuthi ethi Prince Dr. Zwide Peter Khumalo spokesperson KLRT iyo ke lena incwadi noma istatement engithi sibhalwe uZwide Khumalo in response to umbiko wethulwe induna uNhlanhla yaMangwe Ndiwene. Njengoba nje sesishilo izinto uZwide abezizama lana zimbili zintathu. Okokuqala uzama ukukhuluma ne-certain institution nomuntu thizeni engingathi uma ngikubeka ba ukuthi uyaceba kuhulumende. Uthi yena inkosi uBulelani against i-constitution, against ugovernment. Okusobala ukuthi amanga yinto ayithanda kakhulu. Yinto ayithanda kakhulu. Angikaze ngizwe noma nje one day inkosi uBulelani isiba against uhulumende. Angikaze ngizwe even one day. Ukuvuseleleka ukuvuselelwa kobukhosi is not something against anyone or against any institution, but it is for isizwe samahlabezulu. Kungani uZwide efuna ukungenisa amanye ama-cultures? Ngiyazi ukuthi i-culture ifuna ukuyingenisa yiphi eyasempumalanga, ngoba we have so many cultures esizweni samahlabezulu. They are all under one umbrella ekaMthwakazi, esizwe sikaMthwakazi. So they are involved here. They are involved. They are a part of isizwe. Uyaceba evele ebheke udaba olusecourt eHigh Court, okunguye owahamba wayoluphanyeka eHigh Court. Uzama uku-influencer i-outcome ye-High Court. Angazi ukuthi luzothethwa nini lolu daba, kodwa ke mangibheka mina alungeke luze luthethwe. Uma luthethiwe uZwide uzama ukuthi outcome ibe favorable to him. Ngoba uma unanzelela indlela akhala ngayo, ubuye unanzelele indlela ekhala ngoBishop Maponga ngenkosi uBulelani, uyazibuza ukuthi do these two share ama-notes zalaba bantu? Sharing notes ukuthi kati bengagwema njani, bengavimba njani ukuthi ubukhosi lobu bakwaMthwakazi buvuke. Ngibone ngathi abakwenzayo sekuyikuchitha isikhathi nje. Abantu sebeyivumile inkosi enguBulelani Khumalo okaLobhengula uMntwana. Lokhu nje asebekwenza aboMaponka naye uZwide, hayi sokuyikudlala nje, ikuchitha isikhathi. Isizwe sikaMthwakazi sithi bayede kuBulelani, sithi bayede wena kaMbulazi, umntungu omuhle. Okwesibili, ayikho akuzamayo kakhulu uZwide ongingathi kuyamkhalisa kakhulu, okwenza inhliziyo yakhe ivova igazi, yimbidlango, i-diplomatic moves ezenziwa yi-office yenkosi uBulelani, ehlanganisa isizwe nezinye izizwe, izizwe ezifana nezizwe zaseZambia nezizwe eziningi ezihlukene zaseSouth Africa, kubandakanya nalesi isizwe esikhulu kakhulu esakwaZulu. Yikho kumzwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu uZwide, ngoba uyazi ukuthi amandla atholakala lapho makhulu kakhulu, anikeza isizwe sikaMthwakazi amandla ayisimangaliso. Yikho ngithi hayi ubaba uZwide uvimba ivele sidlula imoto. Isidlula ibhasi baba. Ukuvimba nje ungasala sovimba kodwa hayi uzovimba uthuli nje kuphela. Akusekho kunye umuntu omdala. Abantu bathi bayede uNkosi ubulelane.